लो आपने नोटिस किया है कि जब लॉकडाउन होता है, अनाउंस होता है, तो अगर हमें ट्रैवल नहीं भी करना था, बट सडनली हमें लगता है यार हमारा ट्रैवल रह जाएगा। और अगर हमने हम ऐसे हैं कि हम बाहर जाते ही नहीं हैं, दोस्तों से मिलते भी नहीं हैं, बट स्टिल अगर लॉकडाउन हो गया देन यू वांट टू गो आउट एंड यू मीट योर फ्रेंड्स, यू वांट टू पार्टी हार्ड। एंड एंड विच इज़ यू वुड हैव सीन, जब लॉकडाउन ब्रेक होता है या हमें रिलैक्सेशन मिलती है, तो लोग कैसे पागलों की तरह बाहर निकलते हैं, क्योंकि इट फील्स लाइक भाई जी लो जिंदगी, पता नहीं फिर से कब लॉकडाउन हो जाए। एंड आई एम गोइंग टू कंपेयर दिस विद गोइंग ऑन अ डाइट प्लान। आपने नोटिस किया है कि जब आप डाइट पे जाते हैं और आपको बोला जाता है कि भाई ये आप खा सकते हैं और ये आप नहीं खा सकते, तो जो आप खा सकते हैं वो तो आप खा रहे हैं, बट जो आप नहीं खा सकते उनकी जो वो फूड्स के जो थॉट्स हैं वो 24 घंटा दिमाग में रहते हैं। एंड यूर लाइक you're using your willpower to stay off them foods. You're using the fact that you're working with another human being who is investing their time and energy in you, and therefore you don't want to disappoint that person. So आप ये चीज़ें करके वो टाइम तो निकाल लेते हो, you go through the diet, you don't indulge in those foods, but those foods start looking very attractive to you and they start becoming very appealing to you, just like freedom seems very appealing in a lockdown. And then what happens is that when you finally lose control, either the diet plan finishes or something happens like शादी आ गई, कोई ट्रैवल आ गया, then you find yourself eating the food that you were told not to eat, चाहे वो कोई मिठाई है या कोई फ्राइड फूड है, and then it's like all bets are off. अब तो गई भैंस पानी में, अब जाने दो, अब तो अच्छे से खा लो, because मिल गया है खाना तो खा लो, eat everything that you can because जी ले अपनी ज़िंदगी। So then आप इतने अच्छे से दबा के खाते हैं और उसके बाद आपको लगता है यार ये सब चीज़ें तो नहीं खानी थी और वही मैं सब खा रही हूँ। एंड देन यू थिंक यार कोई बात नहीं, अगले हफ्ते से फिर से डाइट शुरू कर लेंगे, अगले महीने से फिर से कर लेंगे। एंड फिर आप मे बी आप फिर से करते हैं डाइट, 1 महीने बाद या शायद 1 साल बाद फिर से डाइट करते हैं, फिर से 100% कंट्रोल कर लेते हैं सब कुछ। एंड देन अगेन डाइट छूट जाती है, अगेन ज़ीरो कंट्रोल पे आके गिरते हैं सीधा। तो ये जो 100% कंट्रोल, 0% कंट्रोल, 100% कंट्रोल, 0% कंट्रोल का जो एक विशियस साइकिल है, this in which we are stuck because something is out of bounds for us when we are in 100% control. How do we break out of this vicious cycle? So today I'm going to give you a very quick hack, a very simple hack. It may not be quick, but it's very simple hack which goes opposite of the way that you've been probably taught conventionally about developing better food habits. So before I do that, who am I? I'm Jasneet Kaur. I'm a nutrition, weight loss, and habit change coach, and I help busy women professionals lose weight, gain energy, without going down, without using diet plans, and without doing extensive and tiring workouts. So let's get back to how to break out of this, full control and zero control vicious cycle. What I recommend to the people that I work with and how they develop better self-control around food is that I ask them to habituate themselves with the food that they find irresistible, because habituation, constant exposure is the enemy of desperate and urgent and uncontrollable desire. Okay, so I'll take a weird example of when you met your to-be spouse for the first time, and even a simple "I love you" from that person seemed so like could send you into this frenzy, and you'd feel so excited. And after 10 years of being married to that person, the "I love you" is there, the love is there, but you don't feel that same excitement, that level of urgentness that you used to feel before. Now what changed in the 10 years is that you got habituated to that person. That person became a constant presence in your life, and everything that was hidden or deprived from you earlier, or you weren't probably allowed, everything is now you're used to the person being in your life, so you're habituated. Now apply the same thing to food, is that how can you habituate yourself with the foods that you find irresistible? चाहे वो मूंगफली है, चाहे वो नान है, कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स हैं, राइट, चाहे वो अपना चॉकलेट्स हैं या मिठाई है या समोसा है, मैगी है. My recommendation here is that you allow yourself unconditional permission. You give yourself unconditional permission to eat all kinds of foods. First is that you mentally make this affirmation and tell yourself that I am allowed to eat and I have my own permission to eat all kinds of food and I don't need any permission from anyone else. Okay? The moment you say that, it's like you're taking your power back from the food. Okay? two hacks, or not two hacks, but two riders when you actually sit down to eat these same foods that you find irresistible. Number one, eat them slowly and mindfully. Don't eat them when you're distracted and when you're not paying attention. So don't eat these foods, these irresistible foods, when you are watching TV or when you're answering emails or when you're texting on your phone. Give them your complete attention and notice how the food makes you feel, how it feels, how the texture feels, how the temperature feels, how the taste is, and how it feels when you swallow, how you feel after you've eaten. Give yourself a complete, awareness of the physical sensation of eating the food, because your body will remember that. Okay. The second thing is that don't eat these foods when you're ravenous, when you're very hungry, right? Because when you're in that state of hunger, then that part of your body, that part of your brain that takes sane, wise decisions, is not working up to the mark. So allow yourself to eat these foods mindfully when you're decently hungry, not very hungry, not totally full. When you're decently hungry, then you do this. As you practice this act of eating these foods, which were so-called illegal foods, unapproved foods, cheat foods, right? All these language that's there out there. You will notice that you start gaining this magical self-control over food, because they start becoming ordinary in your life. They start losing their magnetic appeal over you. They don't have that hold over you anymore, and the hold that they had over you just starts to melt away and dissipate away and just fall by the wayside. This is how you develop magical, everlasting self-control around food, because when you pay attention to your food, that memory rests in your body. And it's not that when you allow yourself to eat all kinds of food unconditionally, it's not that you will lose control and you will become this person who is constantly eating. No, if you allow yourself to eat those same foods slowly and mindfully, and when you're decently hungry, then exactly the opposite thing will happen, is that you'll start seeing that the food really doesn't have anything special. It was just the fact that you had deprived yourself of those foods that had made them so irresistible in your head. As you start using the power of your own self-awareness and attention, you start developing like a magical self-control, which you didn't know you ever had. Now, this is how I help women use the power of their own human nature, their own self-awareness, and change psychology to make to break their decades-old habits, to develop self-control around food. I host a habit-based weight loss program called Shift, which is currently open for enrollments. So if you think you are someone who wants to break out of this whole, lacking self-control around food, that vicious cycle of full control, zero control, full control, zero control, if you're stuck there, and if you think you want to make peace with food, you want to make peace with your body, and you want to lose weight in a way which is natural and authentic, and and it doesn't come loaded with rules about what to eat and what not to eat, then leave me a message saying tell me more, and I would love to get on a call with you, and I'd love to share more details about Shift with you. So that's about it from me. This is Coach Jasneet. I'm signing off, reminding you to eat mindfully, laugh for no reason, and don't sweat the small stuff, and use the power of habituation to change your relationship with your irresistible foods. If you're interested in Shift, leave me a comment and I'd love to get in touch with you. I'll see you around. Bye.